Did conquered people have rights under ancient Roman law? Imagine living in a vast empire where your status could change just by who you were and where you lived. In ancient Rome, the rights of those they conquered were not the same as those of Roman citizens. But they were not completely powerless either. Roman law was organized into different parts, each with its own rules for different groups of people. The main categories were jus civili, which was the civil law for Roman citizens, jus gentium, the law of peoples that applied to everyone under Roman control, and jus naturale, a kind of universal law of justice. Roman citizens enjoyed full rights like owning property, making contracts, and participating in government. But most people in the empire who were conquered did not get full citizenship right away. Instead, they were mainly governed by jus gentium. This law was created to help manage the many different peoples within the empire. It allowed conquered peoples to own property, enter into contracts, and conduct trade. It was practical, helping keep order and making sure business could happen smoothly between Romans and non-Romans. Many of these conquered people were called peregrini, meaning foreigners, or Latini, which were people living in Latin settlements with limited rights. They did not have the same privileges as Roman citizens but still had some legal protections. They could own property and do business under jus gentium. They also had to follow Roman courts and legal procedures. Over time, some of these people could become full citizens. For example, the Edict of Caracalla in 212 C extended citizenship to most free inhabitants of the empire. Slaves were part of the conquered populations too. They had no legal rights and were considered property. But if a slave was freed, becoming a libertus, they could gain some rights and even citizenship in some cases. The Roman justice system, including officials like the praetor, played a big role in making sure laws were applied fairly. Praetors issued edicts that explained how laws should be used in different cases, whether involving citizens or non-citizens. So, in the end, conquered peoples did have rights under Roman law. They could own property, make contracts, and seek legal help. But they did not have the full rights of Roman citizens. Their protections mainly came from jus gentium, the law of peoples. This legal setup helped keep the empire organized and allowed diverse groups to live and work together under Roman rule.